What if I told you that you could create a book in 2 minutes and start making money on Amazon forever? And here's the best part. We're using a special AI tool to do most of the work for us. In this video, I'm going to how to use an AI tool to create books in minutes. It's like having a co-author, but you don't have to split the profits. But before we dive in, do the algorithm a favor and let YouTube know you love money-making content. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications. Let's dive in. The tool we're using is called WordGenie. It is a revolutionary AI-powered assistant that simplifies the entire process of writing books. Think of it as your co-author who never gets writer's block. WordGenie is designed to handle the heavy lifting. It generates book titles and outlines based on your chosen topic. It writes detailed content for each chapter. It even suggests descriptions and summaries to help market your book. Essentially, it turns your ideas into a polished ebook in a matter of minutes. And here's the kicker. WordGenie is part of a platform called Designer, which not only creates the content but also formats it into professional-looking ebooks. With this tool, you can create a book in 2 minutes, which lets you tap into Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and sell books online, earning passive income for years to come. Whether you are a busy entrepreneur, a side hustler, or someone who simply wants to explore a new income stream, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. Let's begin by opening Designer, the platform that houses WordGenie. If you don't already have an account, creating one is simple. Once you've logged into Designer, navigate to the WordGenie section. Here you'll see options to generate content for your book. Let me show you how it works. Firstly, when you're in Designer, all you need to do is enter in your niche or your idea. So I'm going to type in coaching. Then I want to get a bit more specific about the niche, so I'm going to choose wellness coaching. And then following that, I'm going to identify what audience I want to target my ebook towards. So in this case, I'm going to type for women. Now WordGenie will come back and suggest a whole load of titles for my ebook. So I'm just going to choose the one that I think is really catchy. So this one here, the mind-body connection. And now what happens is WordGenie suggests a complete outline for my ebook, including all the chapters and sections for the ebook, and with one more click. All the content is generated by chapters by sections, all ready for you to edit. Add more content or fine-tune to match your experience. Finally, you simply choose a template, and Designer will load all that content into your chosen template with a full design and layout, which again you can tune as you see fit. The final step is uploading your ebook to Amazon KDP. If you don't already have an account, sign up at kdp.amazon.com. Follow the prompts to add your book's title, description, and keywords. Upload your formatted file, set your price, and hit publish. Congratulations! You've just created a book in minutes and made it available to millions of potential readers. What's even more exciting is that this process can be repeated as many times as you want. With WordGenie and Designer, you can create a library of books across different niches, maximizing your earning potential. And the best part? Once your book is live, it can generate income for you indefinitely. Now that you know the process, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, experiment with different ideas, and see which ones resonate with your audience. With tools like WordGenie, there's no reason why you can't become a published author and start building your passive income streams today.